Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to Let's Learn. Today we will learn how to calculate median value for grouped data. Last class we learned about calculating median for ungrouped data. Now we'll look into calculating the median value when data are grouped into frequency distribution. The median by definition is the 50% point in the distribution. To locate the median, therefore, we take 50%, that is n by 2 of the scores. We basically count into the distribution until the 50% point is reached. The formula for calculating median goes like this. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into I, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the total number of scores in the data set, Cf is the cumulative frequency above the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, I is the size of the class interval. It's an easy formula. We'll look into its individual components. Take this frequency distribution as an example. Here is the formula. Let me start with this portion here. CUMF or CF, short for cumulative frequency. Cumulative means increasing in quantity by successive additions. Cumulative frequency is simple enough. We keep adding the next frequency to obtain CF. First row, we will write the F as it is. F is 2 and we will enter 2 here under cumulative frequency column. Next, we have to add this with the frequency of the next class interval. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Similarly, we will add 5 and 4 to get 9. Then 9 plus 6 to get 15. And so on till the last row. Now to n by 2. In the formula, we kept mentioning the term median class. Median class is nothing but the class intervals between which our median lies. When we divide n by 2, the number we get points the class interval containing median. N is the total number of scores in the distribution, which is already present here as the last cumulative frequency. N is equal to 28. Now let's find the median class. N divided by 2, that is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. Refer the frequency distribution table and locate where 14th point lies. This we will achieve by looking at the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 15 essentially indicates that it contains scores after 9th place and up to 15th. That is 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th scores fall between values of 16 and 20, which is our median class. Our median lies somewhere between 16 and 20. Now, the next component, L. L, short for lower limit. Lower limit of the median class in this case of 16, which is 15.5. We have got our L now. We already know the value of n by 2. Next, out of the list of cumulative frequency, for the calculation of median, we should consider cumulative frequency above the median class, which is 9 in this case. F here refers to frequency of the median class, which is equal to 6. We got our F. We have I left. I indicates the size or width of the class interval. Class interval size means how many scores it covers. Look at the first class interval 1 up to 5. It begins with score 1 and ends with 5, thus including the 5 scores 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can get the size simply by counting it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the class interval size. Another way of obtaining I is subtract lower limit of class interval from upper limit. Now consider the class interval 6 to 10. Its lower limit is 5.5 and upper limit is 10.5. When we subtract, we get 5 again. If you see throughout the distribution, the size remains constant, and it should. Look at class intervals 31 to 35. It covers the scores 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Simply by counting it off, we understand the size of class interval of this frequency distribution is 5. Now we have values of all the elements in the formula. Substitute values and solve to get the median. Median is equal to L is 15.5 plus n by 2 is 14 minus CF is 9 divided by frequency is 6 into 5. That is equal to 15.5 plus 14 minus 9 is 5 divided by 6 into 5. 15.5 plus 0.83 into 5 is equal to 15.5 plus 4.15. When we add, we get 19.65. 19.65 is our median. This is how you calculate median for grouped data. Hope you understood the concept. Here are some problems for practice. We will discuss it in the next session. Thanks for watching.